Look at this absolutely beautiful walnut lamp that the brand sent me to take a look at. First of all, it comes very well packed and it's super easy to put it together. It is very heavy duty. This is actually a cast resin. It's not walnut, but it does look like walnut. I'm going to show you close up in a minute. You are going to need to construct the lampshade as well. It's a beautiful linen and I found it super easy to put this together. Not at all a problem, and it looks really great once it's all fully constructed. Super easy. So then you are going to just attach it to the base just like this, and then you're going to put the lampshade on the top after that. And then it does come with a light bulb as well, which I thought was very handy. And I love that beautiful warm white that the linen shade gives off. And I'm just showing you close up here this base so you can see it does have a wood finish. I love the way that it looks in place in the room. It actually really does look like walnut. And I really love the way it looks with my chair here, which also has a walnut base. It's beautiful with my kind of mid-century modern chair, but it would also be beautiful with like a farmhouse decor. It's just a classic design, and it's definitely one that's worth checking out. I really appreciate how well constructed and heavy duty it feels.